Hi everybody, it's Holly here from Hollywood Beauty on Instagram. If you haven't gone over there and checked me out, make sure to follow me. I post every single day about makeup, beauty, and style. And don't forget to subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every week with brand new beauty and style videos for you babes. So today's video is a super exciting one. I got the brand new Kylie Cosmetics holiday launch. So I'm going to be reviewing and showing you guys the products I got and a tutorial on how to achieve this look. This is the adorable little Kylie Cosmetics holiday 2022 packaging, a cute little fuzzy deer on the front. Happy holidays, dear. Sucker for this stuff. I will be trying out the eyeshadow palette, a highlighter, and this lip. It's actually one lip, there's just two of them. It's this red one. So I think they came out with like a nudish one that looks really gorgeous too, but this is what I'm gonna be showing you today. I'm gonna show you guys the products first, talk about them a little bit, and go right into this tutorial. There's a little mirror on it, and the highlight is kind of, it's a powder, but it's like a creamy-ish kind of powder. It seems a little bit creamy, so it applies amazing. It obviously looked great on my skin, but I'm just going to show you guys a swatch of it on my arm. Look how crazy the highlight. So it really gives you that lip from within look that doesn't look too powdery, and I feel like this is the perfect shade. It's very champagne-y with a little bit of rose to it because it's called Winter Rose, but it's very subtle, so this color can kind of look great on all skin tones, I think. The lip is, this one I got to try was Dashing. So it's a lip kit, a classic lip kit with the lip liner and the matte lipstick. So this color is kind of a perfect true red. You can see, I feel like the lip liner is a red with a little bit of like blue undertones. So it's not really like that orangey kind of red. So this one looks great on a lot of people too. The liquid lip, I feel like it's like a bluey red, but then I also feel like it has a little bit of that orangeness to it in like a bright popping red. So I think the liquid lip part is a little brighter, the lip liner a little bit more red tone, deeper. So that's why it kind of has the best of both worlds, I feel like, for a lip. And depending on your skin tone, you can switch it up to a little more liner or liquid lip, depending on what looks best. Great color for holiday. Kylie eyeshadows have just been always some of my favorites. The formula of them is so pigmented and creamy, and you can just have so much fun with them. 16 colors on here. So I did the first row of shadows here. The first one is Dasher, which kind of just blends right in. It looks like my skin tone, so it's perfect for base color. The next one, Blitz and Glam, is really bright color, really gorgeous shimmer color. Inner corner or on the lid, brow bone would be gorgeous. These are all very pigmented, like almost one swipe, and that's the color you see. And then Reindeer Wonderland is this kind of gold color, true gold, like really, really gold color. So again, gorgeous kind of look for a holiday eye. My slay is this last one here, which is kind of a matte orangey color to add some warmth to an eye look. And then I went in with the second row here, a gorgeous rose of kind of browns and stuff. I love those. So the first one is Holly Jolly Reindeer, which is this color right here. I appreciate my name being in it. A cool tone matte brown. And Take the Reins is the next brown here, a warm tone matte brown. You Dearly, a gorgeous, perfect champagne color. Perfect for inner highlight, brow bone. Fawn is this copper shimmer color. It's beautiful. The third row here, Truth or Dare, is a light, kind of right here. It's kind of a light purpley color. Santa's Helpers, kind of a purpley, light purpley snow shimmer color. It's really, really gorgeous. Fantastic is kind of a dark brown copper, like a cool tone copper almost, metallic shade. Foggy Christmas Eve is kind of a gorgeous warm tone brown, maybe a light brown, a light warm brown. Very last row here, the first shade is Glowing Red Nose. So this is kind of a mauvey kind of rose color, a mid-tone matte color. Dash Away, which is kind of a light gold shimmer color, I would say. Reindeer Babe is kind of like a deep mustard color, a matte shade. And then the last shade I used a lot of, kind of in this look, Elf Maid, which is a kind of dark brown chocolate color that's matte that you can use for deepening the crease along the lash line, a liner color. You can add some setting spray to it as well to make it more of a sharp liner look. Show you guys how I created this makeup look today, so make sure to keep watching.
And I'm just going in with Dasher here to apply to the whole lid for kind of a light base color.
Then I'm going to go in and start carving up my crease a little bit. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to mix some colors. Go in with Foggy Christmas Eve, this kind of light matte brown, and add a little bit of Take the Reins, which is a little more mid-tone warm brown. Just, I like to mix them kind of at the same time to make the perfect shade. This is very pigmented, which I love. Creamy, blendable. Kylie eyeshadows always have impressed me, and I love how pigmented and how much they blend. I kind of like to take this over most of the lid. And then I like to kind of make sure to fan it out here with a soft blend out of the corners. And I'm gonna go in and deepen the crease a little bit because I love to do that. So I'm gonna do a little tiny bit of Elf Made. That's the darkest kind of matte brown in the palette. So I'm just gonna tap off the excess, just use a little bit, and just add a little bit gently to my crease just to kind of really accentuate the crease, the eye shape, your eye color, all of that, but just the tiniest little bit with a smaller brush. This one's from Real Techniques. It's the Essential Crease Brush. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I might also go do a little bit at the lash line to kind of connect it, the tiniest bit, like barely anything, and do that little fan out with it. And then I'm gonna go back in with that same color, the Elf Made. I'm just gonna take that color straight up and just add a line kind of tight into my lash line. Kind of snuggle it on there. And then do just the tiniest, I kind of want to go a little more smoky actually, the tiniest little flick. And then I'm just gonna kind of do some blending because I love to add a flick like this, but then kind of soften that line. So it has that look of like a smudged liner, which we all know is my absolute favorite. That's all done. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight on the inner corner, of course. And I feel like Love You Dearly looks like a gorgeous shade for that right here. And I'm gonna use another angled liner brush. This one is old. I feel like it's from Cosmetics, but again, any work. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. It is a perfect champagne color with amazing pigment, and where I place it, it stays and it doesn't have any fallout. So that's what I always look for in a inner corner highlight. Beautiful, look at that. Came up with a fun new tip. I actually like to put it in the inner corner and then do a light flick where you can actually see the line go up on the eye. I think that looks gorgeous. And I did some mascara, and I'm gonna finish up with the lip I got from Kylie to show you guys the full holiday look. I think I actually got 2 of these in the kit, so I obviously can just show you one color because they're the same. So I'm gonna go and do this really fun, bright holiday lip color. This is the Dashing Matte Liquid Lipstick Kit. Starting off with the lip liner. Kylie lip liners are one of my favorite lip liner formulas. They're amazing. Always reach for them. I feel like matte lip liners are the best. So I have just a little bit of lip balm on, so it's just not quite as matte, but I kind of like it that way. I overline just in the middle, not on the sides. Beautiful. And then I will add the lip color, little packaging. I love the new Kylie logo. I feel like that's adorable. Look at that stunning red. I feel like this red reminds me of one of my favorite lip colors, red lip colors. It's that bright, like poppy-ish, a little bit of orange, but like maybe a little bit of blue too. Just a perfect red that looks amazing on a lot of skin tones because it's hard with red. Gorgeous. This is the final makeup look using the Kylie Cosmetics holiday launch. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it super useful, try a look similar to this. Don't forget to like the video down below and follow me here at Hollkward Beauty on YouTube. And don't forget to head over to Instagram at Hollkward Beauty as well and follow me over there so you don't miss any of my beauty tips. As always, I hope you babes have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.